Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you exactly how to play Counter-Strike 2 on Faceit in 2025, and it will be an step-by-step video. So if you are new to Faceit or CS2, the Counter-Strike 2, this guide will get you started quickly. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to be signed up and create an account with your email, Google or eStream, and then follow the instruction, verify your email and set up your Faceit profile. Once you're done, you just need to connect your stream account. Once your account is ready, log into your account and go to the settings. So you just need to click over here, then just click on account setting. Once you click over here, then you will come to this option, and from that place you just need to go to the integration, and here you just need to add your Steam. So you can see we already add our Steam, so use Steam ID to log in and as a backup of account recovery. So you just need to authorize Faceit to access your stream profile. This connects CS2 to the Faceit. Now you just need to download and install Faceit anti-cheat. To play match, you must install Faceit anti-cheat. Click your profile icon and select download anti-cheat. Just come over that place, and from that place you just need to click on view profile. Once you click over here, now you will able to find it out anti-cheat options. You just need to download that one. Once you download, you just need to run the install and make sure it's running before you queue for games. This helps keep match fair. So now you just need to join or create a party. Back on the basic dashboard, you just need to click play. You can join solo, create a party with friends, or find other players. Just pick Counter-Strike 2 as your game, choose your region and click find match. And then you just once a match is found, click accept when the pop-up appears. When the server is ready, Faceit will launch CS2 automatically or give you a server connect link. Jump into the match and play. And after the match or after you finish, your stats will update on Faceit. You can check your performance, download the demo, and see where you can improve. Keep playing to rank up and unlock higher levels. And that's it for today. Now you know exactly how to play CS2 on Faceit in 2025. If this video helped, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel.